Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and today we're going to start off with our first craft for the month of May. It's called a flower bouquet, and during this week you might want to get one of these craft packets and make one of these and give it to somebody that you care about. So the first thing you'll get is a package like this, and it has everything you're going to need in it. And this week's craft has a lot of parts, okay? And I've already started to make some of them, so I wouldn't have to use too much time, but this is what you have. You'll have a leaf and a flower, some pieces, and you can decide what pieces you want with polka dot, or what you want purple and yellow together, you want red and blue together, and this is what it looks like. For each flower, you pick a backing, and it has a little hole in it, and you stick the chenille right through there like that. And then you have orange middle, you have a pink middle, and I think for this one I'm going to use the pink middle. So you just turn it over, peel it off. You do not need any glue for this craft, or scissors. Now hold that like that, just like that, and then take your middle and put it over it, kind of squish it together. You have that. Now you could decide to leave it like that, but we have one of these that we could put on, so I'll take the back off of this one, and we'll add this to the middle like that, and we'll have a little more color. Now the only thing this is missing is it doesn't have a leaf. So I'm going to find this leaf, and I think it has a little bitty hole right here, and we're going to stick this chenille in there, and we're going to pull it through, and here's our flower and our leaf all ready to go. And then you can make one more, and I'll choose purple, and I'll choose a chenille, and we'll put it right through the middle again. You have to look for it. It's a little bitty cross. There we go. And for this one, what do we, oh, we have orange. So we'll take the orange one. It's the only one left, and we'll put it over the middle just like that. And then we'll take this one, and we'll peel this off. Whoa, there it goes. And we'll put it in the middle, and there's our flower. And we're missing our leaf, so we'll go down here, and we'll just find that little hole right there, push it through just like that, take the leaf up, and now we have another flower. So we have 1, 2, we have 3, and we have 4, and we have 5 flowers. Now, I went ahead and made this ahead of time, and it's a bow, and I'm going to fold those over just like that. And in this bow, I'm going to push this in here like that. I'm going to bring the bow up, and you can put it on any side you want. And you now have a bouquet of beautiful, whoops, we better tinker that one down. Twist it just a little bit like this. When you get it all finished, they'll stay together, okay? And you now have a beautiful, beautiful bouquet of flowers to give to anybody you want, and you can arrange them the way you wish them to be. Now, for this, okay, there's your flowers. Then you might find somebody you really love, and I included some coupons. And this one says, I'll clean my room, no complaints. And this one says, I will pick up all my toys. The other one says, tonight you can choose the movie. And then this one just says, a Mother's Day coupon for you. This is good for a big hug. And this one is good for breakfast in bed. So maybe you can find somebody who you think would love some of these and give them to them. So everything you need is here. And remember, Mother's Day is a time that you can give somebody you care about a beautiful bouquet. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Thank you.